So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HFCL share. So today in this video, we'll discuss all the latest updates that are running around the company, especially related to the approval of PLI scheme. So previously, when you discussed about this particular stock, we have done the complete technical analysis and also we discussed the major regions that we need to focus. So today we'll try to discuss about this particular scheme followed by the technical analysis to find out the next possible targets. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly do join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any instant updates followed by stocks for short term followed by swing trading. I'll provide a link in the description and comment section. Okay, so first discussing about the updates that are running around the basic companies related to telecom, especially related to the PLI scheme. So you can see the government has approved this particular scheme, and the companies like HFCL, Tejas Network followed by Dixon, which have applied for this particular scheme. So I think last month we have discussed about these details, like what was the date to apply. So July 3rd was the last date to apply for this particular scheme, and ultimately they've got approval, and you can see the companies will get around 4 to 7% of incentive on production. So what is PLI? Actually it is production linked incentive. So incentive will be provided, and ultimately when the companies are performing well, it helps them to do the scaling of the production. So that will also be very beneficial. So this is one positive update for all these companies which have registered. I think roughly 23 to 25 companies have registered under this particular scheme. So it depends upon sector to sector. It may be steel, it may be telecom. So on that particular basis, the government also approves and gives a certain percentage of incentives. So these are the basic details. So that's why today we have seen an upper circuit in the stock. So now let's go to the day-to-day delivery section, and also we'll try to go to the technical charts to find out next possible targets. Okay, so if you see today's month, that is this particular month, how the stock has given the movement. So if you see in July month, the average delivery percentage was only around 27.3%, and the stock completely it has given let's say 6.3% positive returns, because it has showed a huge correction. Again it has started retracing, especially we have focused the 70 and 75 rupees level would be very crucial. So I suggested to hold for people who have taken at 83 rupees, because again it will approach those particular regions. So correction happens. It is not like all the stocks have continuous momentum. So when correction happens, it gives you opportunity to average, and you can do a settlement near the best price. So if we see all the basic details, so on June month we can see the stock has given 49% return. So continuously the stock has given return. So this particular month we have seen many stocks have entered into NSE BE category. So when they have entered into that particular region, so little bit of weakness was present, and especially the ASM category, you know, right? ASM category is one category that makes the stock look bearish. So all these factors have combined at that point of time and make the stock look little bearish. So now again they started to retrace. So now let's go to technical charts, and you can see a very good percentage is also present on delivery basis as well. So let's go to charts. We'll discuss all the supports and resistances. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the one-day chart of HFCL. So I have not opened the NSE BE chart, because in that we don't have any much data, because recently only the stock has entered into that particular category. So if you see the chart, you can see the stock was forming lower lows and lower highs. So ultimately after approaching the 50-day exponential moving average, so today we have seen the reversal. So not today, almost 2 days we have seen continuous momentum. So that's why the whatever the technical chart we are employing, especially the 50-day, is going to be very important on daily chart time frame. So don't try to complicate much. So a simple 200-day moving average followed by 50-day will give you the complete identification of the trend. So according to that, you can also take the necessary actions. So now moving towards what is the next resistance. So the stock will be facing the resistance near the 79 rupees level. So that level we have seen earlier a very good breakout. Again from that particular region itself, a little bit of correction was also observed. So clearly you can observe that. So if it crosses the 79 rupees level, so then obviously the stock will not take much time to go to the 90 rupees level. So these are the regions that you need to focus in the coming sessions. So moving towards what are the supports. So supports wise, same thing, 75 followed by 70. So these are going to be the immediate supports. All the stocks which have got the approval have shown some very good movement, whether it may be Tejas Network, HFCL. So all the companies have closed in the upper circuit. Because of this positive approval, they have made the stock look bullish. So now if you see money flow index, you can see that is also settled a little bit down itself. It is in 31 region, not completely in oversold and either not in the mid range. So that is also trying to pick up the momentum. So we have taken at high level, especially near 80, 85. So keep holding, and if you want to average, so you can average in small portion. So this is all the levels, and as I told, once it crosses 79, we may expect some very good momentum. Okay, so these are the basic details. So further, if you're having any queries, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDerivIT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.